1985 Ford F-150 40 pickup, located in Dunn, North Carolina, valued at $7,500. Under the hood, this bullnose beauty is packing Ford's legendary 4.9-liter inline-six paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The seller notes the odometer rolled over, so actual mileage is a mystery. It could be 105k or 305k miles. But honestly, it doesn't matter because this truck has a clean title, very minimal rust, and runs and drives great. It's loaded with new parts including tires, brakes, battery, and cylinders. Plus the AC actually works. Historically, the 1980s bullnose, Ford went head-to-head against the Chevy square body and the Dodge Ram D Series. While Chevy had huge fan loyalty, Ford's torque-wee inline-six gave the F-150 an unmatched reputation for pure, unkillable reliability. Here in 2026, finding a clean, analog, running pickup for under $8,000 is an absolute steal. It is an honest, mechanical workhorse. 1985 Dodge D100 Custom, located in Jasper, Missouri, valued at $8,750, and the seller says the price is negotiable. This beast is packing a monster for 140 big block V8, topped with the original thermoquad carb, paired with a smooth shifting 727 Torque-Flight automatic transmission. The seller has owned it for 11 years, and since it was originally purchased in Texas, the frame is completely rust-free. It runs, drives, and is an incredible blank canvas ready for your touch. Historically, while Chevy's square body and Ford's bullnose dominated 80s truck sales, these classic Dodge D-Series pickups were the rugged, underrated muscle trucks of the era. Here in 2026, finding a rust-free 80s truck with a legendary big block V8 under $9,000 is almost unheard of. It's pure, analog American steel. Would you build this classic Dodge? Let me know in the comments and hit subscribe. 1993 GMC Sierra K20 regular cab, located in Corvallis, Montana, valued at $11,000, wearing that iconic 90s teal paint, black fender flares, and an aggressive set of mud-terrain tires. This regular cab long bed looks like an absolute beast. Under the hood sits the legendary 6.5-liter Detroit turbo diesel V8. The seller bought it from the original owner and notes there is zero cancer rust and absolutely no blow-by. Inside, it's an upper trim SLE model packed with power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, cruise control, and interior that's about as immaculate as you could ask for in a 33-year-old truck. Mechanically, it's heavily dialed in. GM replaced the transmission between 70 and 80,000 miles. Upgrades include a flue damper harmonic balancer, S&B cold air intake, a 3-inch downpipe feeding a 4-inch turbo back exhaust, a new alternator, and a freshly upgraded AC system. Historically, 1993 was a huge year for GM diesels, marking the push for factory turbocharging on the 6.5 to replace the older naturally aspirated 6.2. Back in the early 90s, you were cross-shopping this 3/4 ton heavy-duty against the Ford F-150 with its 7.3 IDI diesel, or the Dodge Ram 2500 with the 12-valve Cummins, while Dodge had brute torque and Ford had solid axles. The GMT 400 GMC won people over with its independent front suspension, offering unmatched ride quality and highway comfort. Fast forward to today, finding a clean, rust-free, analog 3/4 ton OBS truck with a 6.5 turbo, diesel and all the right breathing mods for around $11,000 is an incredible bargain. 1997 Ford F-350 regular cab, located in Columbia, Connecticut, valued at $9,000. We are looking at absolute heavy-duty royalty from the 1990s, wearing that classic two-tone red and white paint. This old-school Ford is the definition of timeless American iron, originally built as a cab and chassis. This truck now wears a regular long bed, Under the hood sits the ultimate holy grail drivetrain, the 7.3-litre Power-Stroke turbo diesel, paired with AZF5, 5-speed manual transmission, and an upgraded clutch. The seller notes the frame and cab are very clean, and it's backed by tons of fresh maintenance, new glow plugs, brakes, wheel bearings, to new batteries, fresh fluids, ATS6 tuner, and brand new tires. Best of all, it runs, drives, and effortlessly does 80 plus on the highway. Historically, 1997 was the final year for the iconic old body style or Roby SF series before Ford transitioned to the Super Duty line. Back in the late 90s, you were cross-shopping this against a Dodge Ram 3500 with the 12-valve Cummins or a Chevy 3500 with the 6.5 Detroit diesel, while Dodge had a legendary motor, Ford's 7.3 Power-Stroke paired with the heavy-duty F350 chassis offered an unbeatable combination of brute strength and interior comfort. Here in 2026, grabbing a solid analog 7.3 Power-Stroke manual for $9,000 is unbelievable value. 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup custom, located in Pasadena, California, valued at $12,500. Let's dive right into the seller's description, because this one is a true survivor. This specific truck boasts a single 20-plus year ownership history. It is finished in its original factory beige paint. It even comes with the extremely rare body color matched factory camper shell fully intact. Under the hood, it retains its original 1.7-litre gasoline four-cylinder engine. You get to row your own gears with a classic 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer currently reads 139,999 miles. And for you California buyers, it was recently smogged and has its tags fully up to date. Historically, the Rabbit pickup, often known globally as the VW Caddy, was actually pioneered right here in the US. Built at VW's Pennsylvania plant back in the early 80s, you were cross-shopping this little unibody workhorse against the Subaru Brat or the Dodge Rampage, while the competition offered quirky rear-facing seats or sporty muscle car styling. The VW won over buyers with its unparalleled fuel economy and zippy European driving dynamics disguised as a practical utility vehicle. 1977 GMC C10, located in Santa Clarita, California, valued at $12,000. Today, we're looking at one of the most desirable vintage pickup styles on the planet. Just look at that two-tone red and tan paint job. This classic square body is an absolute head-turner. According to the seller, this beauty has just 65,000 original documented miles and is nearly show quality. Mechanically, it features fresh front disc brakes with a new booster, new spark plugs and wires, and a straight-piped exhaust with catalytic converters included for a deep, powerful rumble. Best of all, it's already past smog with paperwork ready to go. The interior is super clean, with only minor flaws like a dash pad cover and slight fading on the window posts. Historically, 1977 was right in the prime of GM's legendary square body era. Back then, you were cross-shopping this GMC C10 against heavyweights like the Ford F-150 or the Dodge D100. While Ford dominated overall sales volume, GMC built a reputation as the slightly more upscale, professional-grade workhorse with legendary durability. Fast forward to today, making a rust-free, smog-compliant California truck with under 70,000 miles for $12,000, a serious bargain. It's functional, timeless American steel. 1986 Ford F-150 FX4, located in Phoenix, Arizona, valued at $10,000. We are looking at an absolute legend of American truck history. Just look at that classic base stance fitted with a bed-mounted roll bar, auxiliary lights, and beefy off-road tires. According to the seller's description, this short bed truck packs Ford's legendary 300 cubic inch V8, mated to a manual transmission, and they note it starts and runs well. Now, for $10,000, there are a few key details to keep in mind. It carries a salvage title. The at sea is currently non-functional, which your Definitely want a fix in Phoenix, and the spec sheet lists 900,000 miles. Whether that odometer number is a typo or actual history, it shows just how indestructible these old Ford powertrains are. Historically, 1986 was the grand finale for the beloved Bullnose 7th generation F-Series. Back in the mid-80s, you were cross-shopping this directly against the Chevrolet K10, square body, or the Dodge Ram W150. While Chevy had massive fan loyalty, Ford's fuel-injected 300 to V8 and twin-traction, beam front suspension offered a fantastic balance of off-road, grunt and daily highway comfort. Fast forward, rolling around in a raw analog 80s Ford with a manual shifter is pure nostalgia. 1971 Chevrolet C10, located in Medina, Ohio, valued at $10,000. With 75,000 miles, this blue cruiser is mechanically sorted and runs 75 plus on the highway. Under the hood is a reliable, small block Chevy 350 paired with ATH350 automatic. It's got new front upper control arms, fresh calipers, an MSD distributor, and rolls on 20-inch American Racing Torque thrust wheels. Everything electrical works, though the seller is super transparent. It needs cab mounts, rockers, and a bed replacement, making it a dream candidate for a short bed conversion. You can drive while you build. Historically, these second-gen Action Line C10s dominated the street, while rivals like the Ford F-150 and Dodge D-100 stuck to stiff leaf springs. Chevy's coil spring rear suspension gave the C10 a ridiculously smooth ride. Here in 2026, finding a running, road-ready C10 project under 10 grand is an absolute steal. 1972 Chevrolet C20, located in Watkins, Colorado, valued at $29,000. Wearing that iconic orange and white two-tone finish, this heavy-duty truck is a two-owner, always garage gem with just 47,600 miles. Under the hood, it's packing a massive fuel-injected Crate 450 for big block V8, paired with an automatic transmission. It features power steering, air conditioning, a pristine rhino-lined bed, and even includes the original bed topper. The seller admits the radio isn't great, but with a 454 big block, who needs music? Historically, 1972 was the legendary final year for the second generation Action Line Chevys. Back then, it went head-to-head with the Ford F-150 and Dodge D200, but Chevy won over buyers with its timeless front-end design and comfortable cabin. Here in 2026, finding a rust-free, fuel-injected 70 to C20 with big block power under 30 grand is getting rare. It's classic style with modern turnkey reliability. 1972 Chevrolet K20 pickup, located in San Diego, California, valued at $12,000. Wearing classic blue paint and sitting tall on 17-inch Baja-style wheels, this heavy-duty Action Line Chevy has serious presence. Let's break down the specs from the seller's incredibly detailed description. Under the hood sits a rebuilt 350 V8 fitted with a big cam that gives it a menacing, loping idle around 600 RPM. It breathes through a 4-barrel quadrajet carburetor and backs up to a floor-mounted 4-speed manual transmission. The seller swapped the rear end to a 4.10 gear ratio from a 70 to GMC, allowing this big rig to cruise low to mid-70s on the highway. Inside, you get a fresh LMC black vinyl bench seat, new dash mat, power front disc brakes, and a hidden Bluetooth radio behind the OEM dash. The 4WD is currently disconnected, with the front drive shaft off for a highway efficiency, but the transfer case is fully functional. Historically, 1972 was the final, most refined year for the legendary second-generation Action Line CK trucks. Back in 72, if you needed heavy-duty pulling power, you were cross-shopping this K20 against the Ford F-150, Highboy, or the Dodge Power Wagon W200, while Ford and Dodge built rugged workhorses. Chevrolet won over truck buyers by introducing standard front disc brakes and superior interior. Comfort without sacrificing. 3/4 ton toughness. 1994 Chevrolet 1500 extended cab, located in Eaton, Colorado, valued at $7,000. This rear-wheel drive OBS legend packs are desirable. 350 V8 mated to a rare 5-speed manual transmission. The seller says it runs and drives like a dream thanks to a freshly rebuilt front end, complete brake overhaul, and a full tune-up with new plugs, wires, and ignition module. It even has a new roll pan, custom ground effects, and a fresh master cylinder. It just needs new front tires and an alignment. Historically, the GMT 400 platform redefined American pickups. Back in '94, this went head-to-head with the Ford F-150 and the redesigned Dodge Ram. But Chevy dominated highway comfort with its independent front suspension. Here in 2026, finding a rust-free, manual 350 V8 OBS Chevy under $8 grand is a total unicorn.